Hello, hello. It is Wednesday morning, and that means it's time for another video. You're actually going to get a morning coffee with Tina for a change because although my coffee is across the room, it is morning and I am videotaping this for you in a cheerful mood. Woohoo! Um, Today we are going to start a little knit along. I'm going to give you a little time to get your stuff together, but the project is the Forsythia cowl. It is a beginning lace project, so if you have been sort of struggling with lace and want to get started on this, this is the pattern that I have always taught my beginning lace class with. It's approachable, it's fairly easy. You can turn it into a scarf if you like, or you can leave it as a cowl. I'm going to open this package up so you can see what comes in these kits. You do not have to choose a kit. It takes it takes a skein of sock yarn. It takes stitch markers and then the pattern. Now, I believe, and I'll make sure that this is the case, that you can get this little pattern as a download on Ravelry. This is what it looks like in the back. The pattern is very short, so it helps you kind of dip your toe into lace making without doing some of those lovely crazy ones that we're going to build up to this in the next few months. I personally am going to use the yarn from the kit. This is Teresa Rouge Tencel. It's a great summer weight. It's orange. You know how I love the orange. It's a summer weight. I believe I have 2 of these kits in orange. I also have a red one available right now. And I'm going to lean over and look here in just a second. I can see the red from here, but I don't know what other colors. There will be more. I brought my tencel home just so that I can take pictures and give you more options. It takes 12 stitch markers. This comes in the kit, but if you have stitch markers and your own yarn, you can do that. So you need 1 skein of sock yarn. You need stitch markers. You need the pattern, which you can get at a download off the website. With these tools, and I'm going to suggest other ones like highlighter tape. We're going to eventually put some beads in this, I hope. If so, I'm waiting on a little piece of a supply so that I can show you how good this supply is. You might need a beadle needle or a beading or a crochet hook, tiny crochet hook. Some beads if you want to put beads on your project. What else do we like? No, I think that's it. That's all you need for this project. I think I'll put up the full kit with all the gear as well as just these little mini kits so that you can choose like having all the supplies, including the needles. Oh yeah, that's important, isn't it? Let's read what the needle size is here. Kelly is very often size 2. Let me swatch a little because I think I would go up from that, but we'll see. Size 2. I believe I knit this last time on a 4. I like a loose knit. So between a size 2 and a 4, circular knitting needle is wise. 32-inch is adequate. I think you could probably get away with a 24. Let's see what Kelly used. She didn't say what length. 24 to 32-inch. If you really want to, a 40-inch circular needle. This is knit in the round. It does not have to be knit in the round. You can knit it flat and seam it. That's up to you. So I'm going to help you through the process. Leave comments below. We can have a little live session so you can ask me questions during the process. But that is our plan, is to do this Forsythia cowl. I already have one of these out of a fingering weight wool that I love. I knit it out of like something I had in my stash. So it's up to you. Stash or kit. You do need the supplies though. So I'll put the link below to the pattern. I'll put the link below to the kit. And I'll put the links below for the extra supplies that you might want to access from the website. But yet again, everything I'm going to teach you, you could use for your regular lace knitting. I just suggest that you knit along with me on this little easy guy so that you can get used to reading charts, that you can get used to reading stitch markers and understanding how stitch markers help you keep your accuracy, how highlighter tape helps you, how how to put in a bead if we get to that. It's a dicey one. So we'll see if my supply comes soon enough. It's a surprise. I'll show it to you. It will be made available for your purchase. Yeah, but that is the plan. Beginning lace knitting. If you want to get some practice in your lace skills, this is the project for you. So make sure and subscribe. Ring the bell so that you're notified when new episodes get put up. Leave a comment if you want in below. Definitely just mosey on over to the website where you can get access to all this. Catch that. We're going to cast on next Wednesday at noon. Alrighty? So I'll go live at noon next Wednesday for the cast on. That gives you plenty of time to get your supplies ready, right? Better thinking, right? So Saturday, we'll just talk about some random stuff, and I'll remind you to get your supplies ready for Saturday so that we can have a good, fun cast on party. All right? Bye.